Hello, I'm Dr. Snehal Gadecha, a neonatal and pediatric physiotherapist specializing in early intervention. Today, I'm excited to present a case that underscores the vital importance of early diagnosis and intervention in addressing sensory processing difficulties and social anxiety in children. Let's call the child X. At 3 years, 5 months of age, X's parents were referred to us with the concerns of extreme temper tantrums. The child had frequent meltdowns in a day that led to aggressive behaviors such as hitting and throwing. In social situations, the child would cry, freeze, cling to the parent, or withdraw from the social situation. She also had insecurities about sharing her parents with the other sibling. These made her participation in her activities of daily living difficult. She would also not engage in peer play in social situations. On evaluation using standardized scales, we administered the sensory profile by Winnie Dunn for children. We found that she showed difficulty with sensory modulation. She had increased sensitivity to touch inputs. This clinically manifested as behaviors such as avoiding certain textures, emotional responses to certain tactile sensory experiences. Increased behavioral responses related to sensory processing can cause the child to be sensitive to the changes in the environment and cause difficulty with transitions and adapting to changes, thus making her participation in her daily activities of living, such as grooming, toileting, and dressing, extremely difficult. On clinical observation, she showed difficulty with attention and emotional regulation. She tended to switch from one activity to another and had difficulty transitioning from one task to another, or from one social situation to another, or from one thought process to another, and this would lead to an emotional outburst. She often required positive support to return to the challenging situations and often had a strong emotional outburst if unable to do things her own way. She also had a tendency to communicate about her likes and dislikes with an emotional outburst. In early intervention, we encourage family participation to foster achievements within the child's environment. We focus on family coaching and parent training. We worked on the child's tactile defensiveness, her behavioral responses related to sensory processing, that is, her conduct in social settings, her emotional regulation in social settings, using evidence-based approaches such as sensory integration for her sensory concerns and principles of project impact for social communication and reciprocity. We used these approaches with play therapy to encourage success within the child's environment. Along with this, we did parental counseling regarding modeling positive behaviors with positive reinforcement, and also focused on child-parent relationship and building the siblings' relationship. With the help of intensive therapy and the dedication of the family to follow home intervention, within 3 months of therapy, we achieved incredible results. In terms of her emotional regulation, we established meaningful communication where she started communicating about her likes, dislikes, and needs. This reduced her episodes of emotional outbursts and temper tantrums. She effectively communicates with parents with meaningful words or actions. This reduced her aggressive behaviors like hitting and throwing objects. In terms of sensory integration, she has started to adapt to different textures. She also participates in dressing and grooming. Her transitions from one task to another, or from one social situation to another, or from one thought process to another have become much easier, and she tolerates changes in her routine as well. In terms of her social interaction and reciprocity, she has started to participate in peer play. She initiates as well as leads the peer play. She has started to participate in extracurricular activities in school. She shares her toys and objects with the younger sibling as well. There's reduced freezing, crying, or clinging to the parents in social situations. She has started to willingly interact with people. We're grateful that through early intervention, we made a significant difference in maximizing the child's functional independence and well-being.